It began with a cough. Just a single cough in a remote research lab outside Tokyo. Scientists had been working on a classified virus strain, one designed to rewrite the human immune system. They called it Project Cure vaccine that could fight any disease. But nature doesn't like to be controlled. On the third day of testing, one of the assistants, Yumi, felt feverish. She brushed it off as exhaustion. By nightfall, her skin was pale, her veins faintly glowing beneath the surface. When she looked into the mirror, her eyes were cloudy, almost glass-like. The next morning, she didn't show up for work. Her colleagues went to her apartment and found her standing in the kitchen and moving. At first, they thought she was dead until her head twisted sharply toward them, her mouth opening in a distorted scream. She lunged, faster than any human should. Within hours, the lab was in lockdown. Security cameras showed researchers staggering down hallways, their bodies twitching, their skin turning gray. The virus didn't kill its hosts, it rewired them. They weren't alive, but they weren't dead either. They were something in between. Dr. Sato, the lead scientist, tried to quarantine the facility, but the virus had already spread through the ventilation system, leaking into the nearby town. At the hospital, patients with flu symptoms began convulsing, tearing at their bedsheets, their voices overlapping in whispers like a hive. Panic swept the city. Streets were abandoned, military trucks rolled in, but every attempt at control only fueled the chaos. The infected weren't mindless, they moved in eerie coordination, as if guided by a single thought. One of the last transmissions recorded by Dr. Sato before communication was lost was chilling. It's not just a virus, it's a voice, and it wants to spread. By the time the sun set, Tokyo's skyline burned, and somewhere in the ruins, the whispers grew louder, waiting for their next host.